everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More. Hi everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. I am on the final stages on the Batman themed piece of artwork that I've been working on, and I'm on the third and final stage of resin. And I have put some beautiful glitter on there. It's a mix of an orangey brown color and black, and then I did put a little bit of black and silver with a hint of orange in the two ears and the tips down here, so it's a different color, it's not orange. And then in the resin, which is all ready to go because I've been stirring it for a while, is a little bit of gold. So we're gonna blow this and put it on. Here we go, just like this. There we go. Hope it's not too much gold. I want some sparkle in the whole thing. Yes. Not just in the sides. I want sparkle everywhere. And we are back for the final episode of Batman. Not just kidding. We're not sure. I'll never be done with Batman. So basically, I explained already what we've done, and I'm just putting another. This should be the last coat. I'm hoping. I really don't want to have to sand this this beautiful sparkly stuff. All this pretty glitter, which is so beautiful. So, and I've raised it up in the middle a little bit, just so we can get it up over the sides, so that we have it all over the sides, and it covers all the glitter. Let's see what we can do here. Just gonna rub it in. That's what I always do. Always bring it around and up over the sides. Alrighty. I think it's good. We've got it all covered nicely. I'm gonna take off these gloves. Torch it a little. So there you have it. Thank you for joining me. God bless, be safe, and be happy. We'll see you soon.